Hi there. So today I'm at District 1 exclusive plot, which is at MBR City. You get the Burj Khalifa view, and if you see the surrounding, there are a lot of construction which are happening. If you can see the surroundings, the landscaping and the greenery, the entire work is in the process. And on my right is our mansion plot. We are just at the corner. You can see all the landscaping work is almost finished, and we are at the roundabout of the internal connected road. The plot size is approximately 11,886, and the total GUA which we have taken permit from the government is of 18,000. And you get the combination of ground, basement and 2 floors, which means G+2 plus basement with the full approval. If you need any further detail, please feel free to connect me. Thank you so much. This is Sheikh signing off.